We wanted this audience for long, and it finally happened when Navjot Singh Sidhu met Rahul Gandhi, former Congress president, today. It was a meeting after which Mr. Sidhu surprisingly said nothing. It's quite a departure also from the recent past, where he's had a lot to say, especially about Captain Amrinder Singh. And all of this, we don't need to tell you, this comes in the backdrop of a raging rift between someone who is the Chief Minister of Punjab and someone who aspires to take that chair from him. The point though is, where does the Congress High Command stand on this? Do they want to give in to what is being called as the tantrums of a leader who is media savvy, who is vocal, or another leader who has grassroots presence, who has led his party to victory multiple times and managed to stand up even to the Modi wave and win Punjab for the Congress? Will this infighting actually end up damaging one of the most stable governments that the Congress has managed to handle?
हाई कमान की अनाउंसमेंट के बाद किसी भी व्यक्ति में, चाहे छोटा है चाहे बड़ा, किसी की जरूरत नहीं होगी कि उस फैसले के खिलाफ जा सके, चाहे नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू हो चाहे कोई और हो। और मुझे लगता है कि इस हफ्ते में ये सारा मामला सुलझ जाएगा।
ये बात तो निश्चित है कि कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह और नवजोत सिंह के झगड़े के अंदर पंजाब का विकास रुका है। दिल्ली के अंदर कुर्सी का झगड़ा चल रहा है। कुर्सी पर कौन बैठेगा, हु इज द नेक्स्ट कैप्टन। अरे भाई साहब, 5 साल के लिए लोगों ने गलती करके आपको सरकार दी, आपसे कुछ हुआ नहीं।
यार, नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू एक मिसगाइडेड मसाइल है जिहदा कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है। किते मर्जी डायरैक्शन हो सकती है, किते मर्जी ਵੱਜ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ, ਆਪਣੇ ਤੇ ਹੀ ਵੱਜ ਸਕਦੀ ਉਹਦੇ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੀ ਨਾ 5 6 10 ਡਾਇਲੌਗ ਰੱਟੇ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਡਾਇਲੌਗ ਨੂੰ ਹਰ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਵਰਤਦਾ ਹੈ। ਉਹ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਸੋਨੀਆ ਗਾਂਧੀ ਨੂੰ ਖੁਸ਼ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਮਤਲਬ ਮੋਦੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਖੁਸ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ। ਤੇ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਐਜ ਆ ਮਿਸਗਾਈਡਡ ਬੰਦਾ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਕੱਲਾ ਸੋਚਦਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਭਾਸ਼ਣ ਐਕਟਿੰਗ ਕਰਕੇ, ਅੱਜ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਐਕਟਿੰਗ ਵਾਲਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ। ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਸੋਬਰ ਬੰਦਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ।
You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Shazia, the BJP continues with us. We are also joined by Ratan Sharda author, Rashid Kidwai, senior journalist. First question to leader of the Congress, Acharya Pramod Krishnam. Has the storm blown over? या अभी इसमें और कई अध्याय लिखे जाने वाले हैं?
पदमजा, आपने मुझसे सवाल किया है?
बिल्कुल आचार्य जी, आप ही से सवाल है। ये जो इंटरनल महाभारत है, ये अभी के लिए थम गई है या अभी इसमें और एक और प्रकरण हम देखने वाले हैं?
पदमजा, महाभारत और रामायण थमती थोड़ी है, ये तो अनवरत चलती रहती है। राजनीति का जो ये कुरुक्षेत्र है, ये 18 दिन के युद्ध के बाद युधिष्ठिर सम्राट बन गए थे, ऐसा नहीं है। ये अनवरत चलता रहता है, कंटिन्यू प्रोसेस है, और ये सब जगह चलता है। कोई कहे कांग्रेस में चल रहा है, ये भी गलत है। बीजेपी में भी चलता है, समाजवादी में भी चलता है, दूसरी रीजनल पार्टीज में चलता है, अकाली दल में भी चलता है। अब ये बताओ, सिद्धू अगर आते हैं और राहुल गांधी से मिलते हैं, सोनिया गांधी जी से मिलते हैं, प्रियंका गांधी से मिलते हैं, तो ये खबर है। और अगर नहीं मिलते हैं तब भी आप लोग कहेंगे साहब वो आए और मिलके क्यों नहीं गए। अगर मान लीजिएगा नहीं आते हैं तो कहा जाएगा कि साहब क्यों नहीं मिल रहे। तो मैं एक बात साफ कर देना चाहता हूं कि पंजाब में होने वाला चुनाव कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह जी के मुख्यमंत्री के काल में लड़ा जा रहा है और उनके चेहरे पे लड़ा जाएगा। और नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू हमारे स्टार प्रचारक हैं। नवजोत सिंह बहुत ही एनर्जेटिक लीडर हैं और उनकी बहुत बड़ी फॉलोइंग है इस देश के अंदर।
पंजाब तो अभी सबसे ज्यादा एनर्जी से कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह के खिलाफ दुष्प्रचार कर रहे हैं। उनकी सारी एनर्जी तो दुष्प्रचार में लगी हुई है। उन्होंने कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह को इतना बोल दिया कि आपका डिपॉजिट आप हार चुके हो, आप झूठे हो, आप कांग्रेस नहीं हो, आपकी कोई सुनता नहीं है, आप अपने फार्म हाउस में बैठे रहते हो, क्या कुछ नहीं बोला। और उन्हीं चीफ मिनिस्टर के चेहरे के साथ आप इलेक्शन लड़ेंगे, जिनके चेहरे को सबसे ज्यादा आपके कांग्रेस वाले ही धूमिल कर रहे हैं।
देखिए, कुछ शिकवे शिकायतें होती हैं परिवार में, तो वो बड़े लोग मिलकर के उसको निपटा देते हैं। और वही काम आज दिल्ली दरबार ने किया है, कांग्रेस नेतृत्व ने किया है। अब उत्तर प्रदेश के अंदर दिल्ली दरबार तो चाहता था कि योगी आदित्यनाथ जी दूसरे लोगों को रिकमेंडेशन दे दें, मंत्रिमंडल का विस्तार हो, और नहीं किया योगी आदित्यनाथ जी ने। तो क्या कहा जाएगा कि क्या वो मोदी जी की बात नहीं मानते? केशव प्रसाद मौर्य डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं, उन्होंने पब्लिक डोमेन में कहा कि भाई मैं योगी आदित्यनाथ जी मेरे नेता नहीं है, नरेंद्र मोदी मेरे नेता हैं। तो इसको क्या कहा जाएगा? ये चलता रहता है, डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम है सारी पार्टीज के अंदर, और कांग्रेस के अंदर थोड़ा सा ज्यादा है। तो हम लोगों को अपनी बात कहने का एक अधिकार प्राप्त है, जो अभी बीजेपी में नहीं है। अडवाणी जी की और अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी की जो बीजेपी थी, उसमें अपनी बात कहने का अधिकार था। बीजेपी में वो नहीं है, कांग्रेस में है। कांग्रेस में है, कांग्रेस के अंदर
well then perhaps there is too much democracy. There is too much democracy in our country, but that too much democracy is in the Congress. Rashid Kedri, I just find it very interesting that Acharya ji choose to call it Delhi Darbar. एक सिटिंग चीफ मिनिस्टर को दरबार में आकर के हाजिरी लगानी पड़ रही है. Is that democracy?
Yes, this is a kind of irony of our Indian democracy, that most political parties, we have this high command culture, and people are quite comfortable with it. See, in this particular case, in Punjab's case, I think Congress is solely guided by its political instincts and the survival instincts. It has reached to a kind of internal assessment where it believes that under Captain Amrinder Singh's leadership, Amrinder Singh alone would not suffice for the Congress to return to power in Punjab. So it needs Navjot Sidhu's support, because Navjot Sidhu has clean image. He had taken a stand on Kartarpur Sahib corridor issue, and that has made him quite popular among Sikh voters of Punjab. So therefore, Congress has made it very clear to Captain. I think today's upshot of today's development is that Captain has to take Navjot Sidhu along. Otherwise, it's curtains for him. He's 79. He's not going to make Congress win. He had a lot of past, but he has little future. And I think Priyanka Gandhi is architect of this template. This template would perhaps come into play in Rajasthan next.
But then why not just just ask him to gracefully step aside? Why drag him through mud? All things aside, here is someone who has been fiercely patriotic. He has, like we mentioned earlier, won you the state, won you the Lok Sabha seats in the face of a Modi wave. Why put him through this? Just tell him to step aside.
I think it's not, see, in a television studio, Shazia, my friend Shazia is a political activist. Mr. Acharya Pramod Krishnan has also fought election. Ratan Sharda is a very veteran, this thing. All of us know these things are not easy. You cannot just tell someone to step down. I think Captain will continue as Chief Minister till it is necessary, till the completion of elections. We have seen it in Assam, Padmaja, that there was a Chief Minister of BJP Chief Minister of Assam, and before the election, Mr. Hemanta Sharma was very active, proactive. He was a chief campaigner, and after the elections, he became Chief Minister. But there's some kind of, transition is taking place in the Congress, rightly so, because Captain is 79. He has a past. I have documented all this. He has won thrice, but he has lost also thrice. I'm talking about assembly elections.
Okay. So, Shazi Almi, this is only a matter of transition. For the BJP to call it a circus is a bit rich. You've had transitions as well in Assam. In Uttar Pradesh, many people are wondering if there is a transition underway.
Well, sure, and I would not dispute that, but not so much as a BJP spokesperson. And as a BJP spokesperson, I should not and do not have a local stand-by on the subject, and it is not correct for me to comment on a party's internal matter. But I really wonder about the political desperation and the acumen of a party led by Rahul ji and Priyanka ji, considering they are the high command and that is the Delhi Darbar, and the Congress worker says वहीं से फैसला सारे होते हैं. हालांकि अभी प्रेसिडेंट है नहीं, लेकिन सब जानते हैं कि एक इनविजिबल वो हैं शहनशाह बैठे हैं, तो और विजिबल भी हैं और गायब भी हैं और नाजिर भी हैं, तो उस तरह के शहनशाह हैं वो, तो उनके दरबार में सब होता है. बट आई वुड लाइक टू वंडर दैट अ पर्सन लाइक सिद्धू, who has really flirted with Aam Aadmi Party, who's gone and hugged Mr. Bajwa, who openly trashes Captain Amrinder and is so acrimonious towards him. that they would really think that this would go well for the Punjab unit, for their party there, for Captain himself and his leadership, that it augurs well for the new innings, you know, that are to be played in the electoral battlefield of Punjab with this kind of a scenario. So I am just speaking now more as a watcher and observer of what is going on, because as a BJP spokesperson or a member, I do not have any locus standi, because they are there to decide everything, right? But I don't know what could be the logic of it.
Well,
apart from hugging Major Bajwa,
to omit his history with the BJP in his biography,
which I find unforgivable. As a patriot,
sure, he's gone and hugged General Bajwa and all of that, but you also did embrace him at one point. Now the Congress is trying its luck with him, but is this all about transition, Ratan Chadha?
Definitely not, because a transition happens with some backdoor discussions with various leaders in the party. Punjab Congress has many parties, so it is obviously, if there was a transition, there will be backdoor discussions and decisions will be made. Navjot Singh has not got to the right place. What he believed was his right because of the way he worked for Congress. Now let me take a very broad view of what happens in Punjab. Akalis cannot win because without BJP they have not won any election all these years. Secondly, Navjot Singh Singhu was not allowed a good place in BJP because Akali, with its alliance in BJP, never allowed any Sikh leader to rise in BJP, whether BJP likes it or not, whether Akali likes it or not. So Sidhu was a target of Akali politics. They didn't want a Sikh leader to rise, and that is happening even now in Punjab and Delhi, whether the people prefer or not. Now Akali alliance has broken, so there is chance that BJP will have to have new leaders, new strong way of fighting Punjab politics, and then things will change. If Navjot Singh Singhu wants to go to AAP, no leader in AAP has succeeded. Entire path of Arvind Kejriwal's successful leadership is strewn with careers of large number of wonderful people who were part of his group, and slowly everybody was dropped out and they lost relevance. It's much more complicated than what we think, and definitely Sidhu will not sit quietly. And this is not the way to get out as a veteran. Amrinder Singh is not a centrist person. We must remember, Captain doesn't listen to center. He won because he opposed Rahul Gandhi, not because he was with Rahul Gandhi. Everybody knows it. So Captain is his own man. His statements are own man.
So
they go against the Congress culture.
This is not going to be as simple
go against
as
Rahul Gandhi's statements. You know that.
Seeming to end after one meeting, which means that there will be possibly more such discussions that we are likely to have in the coming months. But I'm out of time for now, so thank you very much, gentlemen, and Shazia Ilmi for having joined me on the news agenda. And as for Navjot Singh Sidhu, if there's one thing you cannot fault him for, is to give a good punchy headline. We'll wait for tomorrow's. Thanks for watching.